Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in a black exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have minor damage on the Carfax with 2 previous owners. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice the black grille insert with chrome trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your black accents with running fog lights. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. A couple things to point out on the exterior. You will have turn signal indicators, as well as blind spot monitoring, and you will also have proximity locks. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium tan leather, along with a tan and black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you'll have 12 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 10 and 32 seconds, and your rear pads will be 12 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium tan leather interior will stay the same. Not to mention, you will have a pull-down middle console here with 2 cup holders. And on the back of the center console, you will have your heat and AC vents, as well as 2 USB plug-ins, a 115 volt plug-in, and your heated seats. Coming here to the rear, this vehicle is equipped with a hitch and receiver. It is also equipped with a backup camera. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and pop the trunk to show you guys the trunk size. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle. Will come equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power locks, seat memorization, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just under 92,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your headlight and fog light options, as well as your dash brightness. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers, as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. You will also have paddle shifters. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your dashboard options, as well as your talking options. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready. You will also have heated and cooled seats, as well as a heated steering wheel. You will also have navigation. And as I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will also have your climate control options here in the center, as well as a storage area with a 12 volt plug-in and a USB plug-in. You will have your gear shifter, 2 cup holders, your 4-wheel drive options, and a large center console. To end off the interior features, up top you will have your lighting options, as well as a sunglass holder and your sunroof options. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 3.6L V6F DOHC 24V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, preventing the evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you will have a couple stone chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here on the front passenger side door, you will have a couple chips, as well as a few scratches. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will also have a couple chips. Here along the back bumper, you will have a couple chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here on the rear driver's side door, you will also have a couple chips. Here on the front driver's side door, you will have a couple chips, as well as a couple scratches. These are all pre-owned vehicles here, all things automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in a black exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here, all things automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollsburg, PA.